Hi, hello, and welcome. It's me Vignesh here, and this is your favorite V and Data channel. Today, we're going to analyze what is the corona status in India, test, and vaccination status in India as well. Then, we shall ask some questions to a doctor and get answers from him regarding corona vaccination, etc. For that, let's pass on to a video.
As I told you before, today we'll be seeing what is the corona status and so on. This is the COVID cases by date wise in India, right? This is the first wave. This is the first wave starting from June or July and down facing at October, November, and January, December. Like it is reduced, and from March last it has started to increase, and now it started to decrease in the mid of May or mid last. Okay, this is the first wave, and this is the second wave. The first wave maximum was around 83,000, 93,000. Now it's 4 lakh. That is nearly thrice or 4 times the first wave. This is the death rate by date. Okay, this is the first rate for the first one. This is the second wave death rate. Second wave death rate is started to reduce. New cases by date is this is new death by date for each and every day. Okay, this is COVID on India. This is the how many tests have been taken in India and how much it is positive rate. Okay, how much is positive? Okay, the yellow is the new test each and every day. How much test has been taken, and red is the positive rate. Okay, like red is the positive rate on the whole. Like suppose today we are testing lakhs and lakhs or around 36 lakhs means how much in the 30 test cases how much is coming positive, right? Maximum was around 0.23. 23 was the highest positive rate. Okay, in the second wave it was around nearly 37 lakh test. In 37 lakh test, 0.23 was the positive rate. This is second wave topest, and the first wave was 0.12. This is the positive rate and the test each and every day how much is taken. In the first wave it was like 0.12 and started to reduce, and it was like nearly 2 times in the second wave as well. Okay, second wave is reached 0.23, 227, like it's around 23. This is the highest cases positive rate. Third page, right? This is the vaccination details, like how many people are getting vaccinated and so on. This is the new vaccination by date. Each and every day, how many people are getting vaccinated? Like it was started from January, and the curve was literally low till March, and from March it started to boom up, and till now it's like the lakhs and lakhs of people are getting vaccinated. Okay, the top was 42 lakh people getting vaccinated in India per day. That was a maximum thing, right? This is the full graph. New vaccination by date. This is total vaccination and two dose completed by date. Like some people have completed 2 doses, right? That is the this shows it. This is the total vaccination till date. Around there are 22 crore people getting got vaccinated, and nearly 44 lakh people, 44 lakh people have been 2 times vaccinated, 2 doses completed for them. This shows like the total vaccination and 2 dose completed per day. Okay, this is general stats on COVID current status in India. Current situation, how much vaccination, how many tests have been taken, how many positive rate, what is the corona death, new cases, and so on. Okay, this is the first wave. This is the first wave and second wave. This is the second wave. It has much more, and third wave might come. They are saying, right. This is stats of the first wave and second wave on the whole. Okay, do wear a mask and so on. Have some precautionary measures and do vaccinate yourself. Okay, this is the status of corona. We have some questions, right? Like what about vaccination, what to do after vaccination, what not to do. For that we can consult a doctor today He is Dr. Sindil Kumar from Chennai. We will consult him and ask him some questions. Before that, the data, right? The data is from URL is in the description, and this dashboard or the graphical representation link is also given in the description. You can also use it and check it out by yourself. The data as well as the graphical representation or dashboard will not refresh. It is till June 2 or June 3. Okay, the data will not be updated. Okay, both the graphical representation and the data will not get updated. You can buy the link in the description. You can buy yourself. Now we can ask the questions to doctor.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sendil Kumar. I would like to answer a few questions regarding Corona so that it will be an eye opener to each and everyone who is watching this video. Yes, Corona is on a declining phase in India, and I think the flattening of curve has really started in India. Vaccination is a must. You need to get immunized irrespective of the age as advised by the Government of India. Everyone who is going for vaccination will be assessed by a medical officer before getting inoculated. Any vaccination or immunization program will have its side effects. Not a bigger one like fever, myalgia, cough, cold or something. Nothing big issues will happen to anyone who is getting immunized. Two doses are a must as per the recommendations given by the ICMR. Because if you take only one dose, the efficacy of the vaccine may be less. So to get a 90% efficacy, you need to get 2 jabs definitely. No second thoughts about it. Everyone should wear a mask even after getting immunized or vaccinated. So nothing new, as advised by all the governments of the world, you need to wear a mask, maintain social distancing and keep washing your hands.
Like, I had taken my first dose of vaccination and I request each and everyone to take their doses as well so that we can get rid of corona. And most importantly, please don't forget to wear your mask whenever you're stepping outside from the home, right? That's all for today's video. We can catch up in next video. Until then, it's me Vignesh here. Thank you.